Optus Modem Wi-Fi not working. So a few things you can try if you're having a problem with its connection. First of all, you could try restarting the modem. It's a simple turning it off and then unplugging the power cable, waiting for around 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. Then just wait for it to reconnect. So Optus does say restarting can help with the internet when it's slow or it's not working normally. You can also go ahead and check for its cables and lights. So check at the back for its cables, make sure they're properly plugged in. And if the internet or the light is off, let's say red or not steady, the issue may be the connection and not just the Wi-Fi. You can also test another device. If only one phone or laptop or computer has the issue, you can try forgetting the Wi-Fi network and then restart the device specifically. Then reconnect using the correct Wi-Fi password, of course. Then finally, try reducing the Wi-Fi interference. Move closer to the modem if you're not using Ethernet, and keep it away from thick walls or microwaves or other routers. Optus does say nearby Wi-Fi networks can interfere, and changing the Wi-Fi channel may help as well. So those are a few things you can try if you are having problems with your Optus Modem Wi-Fi. So hopefully this helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.